Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare neon versus pastel slime. We'll explore the distinct characteristics of each, helping you decide which vibrant or soothing option best suits your preferences. Neon slimes burst with intense, bright colors, while pastel slimes offer a softer, more subdued palette. We'll delve into their unique visual appeals and sensory experiences, ensuring you have all the information to make an informed choice for your next slime creation. Get ready to discover your perfect slime. Neon slime truly stands out with its incredibly bright and bold appearance. These colors are super saturated, often appearing almost electric, and many can even glow brilliantly under a black light, adding an extra layer of fun. This vibrant effect comes from special fluorescent pigments used in their creation. If you're looking for a slime that makes a powerful visual statement and captures attention, neon is definitely the way to go. It's all about that striking, energetic vibe. On the other hand, pastel slime offers a wonderfully soft and soothing experience. Its colors are muted and gentle, creating a calming and tranquil aesthetic that many find incredibly appealing. Unlike the intensity of neon, pastels evoke a sense of peace and often incorporate delicate additions like fine glitter or tiny charms to enhance their charm. If you prefer a slime that provides a gentle, pleasing visual and a more serene play experience, pastel slime is an excellent choice for you. Ultimately, choosing between neon and pastel slime comes down to your personal preference and the mood you wish to create. Do you want something that pops with energetic brightness or something that offers a calm, gentle touch? Both types provide incredibly satisfying tactile sensations and are fantastic for sensory play. Consider the overall aesthetic you're aiming for, and remember, there's no wrong answer. The best slime is always the one you enjoy the most. Happy sliming!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.